Hi everyone, it's Leigh Goldstein, the Trading Director at 10 Minute Trades. I want to welcome you to the weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule, as well as a look at all the events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. It's all in Eastern Time. Let's get started. Monday is President's Day and the markets close early, so there will be no trade rooms. Tuesday at 3:15 in the morning, there's the French Flash Services Manufacturing Report, and at 3:30 in the morning is the German version of the same report. No trade rooms, but we do have trade reports. Those are official trade reports, so keep an eye on your email for those events. 5 a.m. on Tuesday is the German Zoo Economic Sentiment Report. That's a report I'm watching. It's best traded on the DAX. Our first trade room of the week on Tuesday will be 6:45 a.m. for Walmart earnings. We'll be back at 8 a.m. for Canada core CPI and retail sales, and then back at 9:15 for flash manufacturing services and existing home sales. We'll be back on Tuesday at 7:15 p.m. for two more events, the Australia Wage Price Index and the New Zealand Official Cash Rate, which is their bank rate statement. Wednesday at 12:45, we'll take a look at the 5-year note auction to see if it's moving on ZB or ZN. We'll be back in the room at 1:30 for the FOMC minutes, 4 p.m. for NVIDIA's earnings and the API report. 7:30 p.m. on Wednesday, there's an Australian report called Private Capital Expenditures. It's quarterly. It used to really move the Australian dollar, 6A, but it has not had much of an impact for the past year or two since the pandemic. But I still like to watch it. It may start to move again. Thursday at 8 a.m. we've got preliminary GDP and unemployment claims, 10 a.m. natural gas storage. We'll stay in the room for the crude oil report, which is a day late because of the holiday on Monday, and then at 12:30 the 7-year note auction. Friday we've got two reports, one very important report, 8 a.m. the core PCE price index, personal income and spending, a very important inflationary report, and then at 9:30 revised University of Michigan with new home sales. A very interesting week, couple of earnings, plenty of exciting trades, some big ones. Preliminary GDP and the FOMC minutes should be very exciting. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you find your way into the trade room, learn to trade with us, and become an exciting, profitable trader trading news events. My name is Leigh Goldstein, the Trading Director at 10 Minute Trades. Looking forward to seeing you in the trade room.